Imagine being able to present a complete, stunning 3D model of their dream home just 2 hours after your first meeting. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're looking at Cedreo, a 3D home design software that claims to do exactly that. Whether you're a home builder, remodeler, or interior designer, Cedreo is built to help you speed up your sales cycle and design projects faster than ever. So, what makes it stand out? Cedreo isn't just about drawing basic lines. It's an all-in-one platform where you can draw 2D and 3D floor plans, customize indoor and outdoor spaces, model the terrain, and generate photorealistic interior and exterior renderings. The goal here is to help housing professionals streamline the pre-sale phase. According to Cedreo, using their tool can help you close sales in half the time and reduce pre-sales costs by up to 60% because you no longer have to pay expensive external design firms for preliminary drafts and constant revisions. You can handle the site plans, roof plans, and material choices all in one place and easily share them with your team. Now, let's talk about what real users think. To be completely honest, we don't have access to a wide pool of independent user reviews for this specific evaluation. While the software looks incredibly promising on paper for shortening your workflow, we always recommend trying it yourself to see how intuitive the interface feels for your specific design style. Fortunately, Cedreo offers a free tier to get you started, so you can test out the drawing tools and rendering capabilities without any financial risk. If you are looking to stop outsourcing your preliminary designs and want a faster way to help clients visualize their future homes, Cedreo is definitely worth a look. Head over to their website to try their free version, and let us know in the comments if you think this is the ultimate design tool for 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest software reviews.